Hello, welcome to this course, Core Java J2SC, and here I am Nitin Patil. I will deliver you the sessions on Core Java, and this session is based on interface. So, what is interface? Interface it is nothing but a block of method declaration, as well as you can say block of final data members. Interface it's like a class only. You can say blueprint of a class, and for executing an interface we can require an object, and for declaring an interface we need to use interface keyword, as well as for using an interface we need to use implement keyword. And here I'm going to show you the demonstration of interface by using NetBeans IDE. And for that I need to create a new project, Java class library. Next, give name to the project regarding the concept interface demo. Yes. Here we have a file system likewise. First, create the package com.persistent.ex, and here I am going to create an interface first. Java interface. Like interface name is a employee ID, EID, employee ID. Okay, finish. So as we know, what is interface? Interface is it's a block of method declaration and final data members, or you can say member variable. For creating an interface we require interface keyword. Likewise here I am going to use interface keyword. For using interface means this interface if you wanted to use in another class, then use implement keyword. Then need to use implement keyword. No need to create an object. Create a object for interface for execution. Okay, and every method must in a public access specifier public void employee ID comprised with EID and public void e name. These are the two methods I declared. This is our interface, and for using this interface or implementing this interface into another class, we require class, Java class. Employee is a class. For using, if you wanted to use this interface inside the employee class, then use which one keyword? Implement keyword. Implements employee ID interface, and here we have some warning type. You can say it suggests, interface suggests you, or interface recommends you implement all the abstract methods inside the class. We have these two methods we already declared inside interface. You can provide your own definition here. I'm just printing employee ID is one zero one zero, or you can develop local variable for employee ID only, like print emp ID and string ename plus emp ID plus operator and emp name plus ename. Right now I'm going to create a object of local class. For executing this class we require class name, or for creating a class, creating an object we require class name. Obj is the object name new, and this one is a constructor, that class. Obj dot, sorry, for creating that one I required main method. See, right now obj dot emp id is equals to 1010, and obj dot ename is equals to abc simple. And again I need to execute the methods obj dot emp id and obj dot ename. This is our program, and these are the two methods which overrides from this employee interface. Is already declared here. We need to use inside the class at the time. Override annotation is here. Override means is what exactly? This method already declared inside the employee ID means already having its own memory allocation inside the interface. And by using implement keyword, we using this employee ID interface into the employee class. These are the method declaration. As we know, interface it is nothing but a block of method declaration. For declaring an interface, we use interface keyword, and I'm just going to use means here I am using this interface, implementing this interface. For use purpose, I need to use implement, or I need to take implements keyword. And after implementing the interface, force class to use or to implement all the abstract method which is available in the interface. These are nothing but abstract method or method declared, you can say. And here I am using I am implementing these methods inside the employee class, and after creating an object I just execute that one, sending. Just right now I am going to run that example interface demo. Here we have output likewise emp id is 1010 and my name is abc. I hope you got all the concept regarding interface. Thanks for watching this session.